What's up guys? So this time, no, ang pag-uusapan natin, ang i-discuss ko is about determinacy and stability of trusses. So, ayun. So ngayon naman, i-discuss natin, pag-uusapan natin yung about sa how to determine yung determinacy and stability ng mga trusses. No? Kasi nga, if you can remember sa last na video, no, pinagsama-sama ko yung about sa beams, sa pin-connected structures, at saka sa frames. Kasi pare-pareho yung kanilang computation. Okay. So, this time naman ay pag-uusapan natin yung about sa trusses. So, how do we compute or how do we determine the determinacy and stability ng trusses? Okay. So, yung truss structure ay pwedeng maging stable and pwede maging unstable. Okay? Kung yung truss is a stable structure, dalawa din yun. Dalawa yung ating classification para sa stable na truss. That is, maaaring statically determinate or maaaring statically indeterminate yung truss. Okay? Kung unstable naman yan, guys, kung unstable yung truss, then dalawa din yun. Okay? Maaaring kasing externally unstable or maaaring internally unstable yung trust. Actually, no, para sa akin, opinion ko lang naman, no, I think na it doesn't really matter kung externally or internally unstable yung trust. As pag unstable siya, that's unstable. I mean, it will collapse. So, it really doesn't matter kung external siya or internal, no. Iniiwasan natin yung unstable. So, yun. Para lang naman sa opinion ko. Pero I think na it's better pa din to know, to learn kung unsay instability ng trust, if it is external or internal. Okay, ganun. Okay, so again, no, unahin muna natin yung about sa stable trusses. Kung sabi natin, kung stable yung trust, pwede natin ma-classify yung trust into two. That is, maaari kasi na it is statically determinate and maaari din naman na it is statically indeterminate. So I know you know already what this means, pero ulitin lang natin, no? Pag sinabi nating statically determinate yung trusses, that means when all the forces in a truss can be determined strictly from equilibrium equations. So kung kaya nating makuha lahat ng forces sa truss gamit lamang yung equilibrium equations, then that is statically determinate. Okay? Pag sinabi naman natin statically indeterminate, then ibig sabihin nun, there are more unknown forces than available equilibrium equations. So actually, kakailanganin mo dito ng additional equations which we call the compatibility equations. Okay? So ganito yung pag-compute, guys. So ngayon ay tuturuan ko na kayo kung paano natin malalaman kung determinate siya or indeterminate. Okay? So ito yung paraan ng pag-compute. For any problem, the total number of unknowns includes the forces in B number of bars. Okay, so again, yung symbol natin sa B na B represents number of bars of the trusses and the total number of external support reactions are. So, ibig sabihin, guys, yung total unknown natin ay yung number of bars plus the reactions. No? Kasi, di ba, kailangan din natin, lalo na pag nag-method of joints tayo, kailangan natin i-compute yung mga forces sa mga bars, and that is by method of joints nga. So, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung mga number of bars are included sa unknowns ng trusses. Okay? So, number of bars plus the reactions, yun yung total unknowns. Para naman sa equations, truss members are all straight axial force members lying in the same plane. The force system acting at each joint J, is coplanar and concurrent. Thus, rotational or moment equilibrium is automatically satisfied at the joint or pin, and it is only necessary to satisfy summation of forces x equals to 0 and summation of forces y equals to 0 to ensure translational or force equilibrium. So, anong ibig sabihin nito, guys, no? So, take note, guys, that yung mga truss members, yung mga members ng trusses are axial force members. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, maaaring maging compression siya or maaaring maging tension. Kasi ganun yung ating pag-axial force member, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, guys, yung mga forces natin sa bawat members are either going towards the section, the cross-section, or going away the section. So, ibig sabihin guys, automatically, masasatisfy na kaagad natin yung summation of moment about the joint. The joint the joint where the members are connected, diba? So, kung napapansin nyo guys, no, kapag ka nag-method of joints ka, hindi mo magagamit yung summation of moment, no, sa bawat joint, no, hindi ka makagamit ng gano'n. Ang pwede mo lang magamit is summation of forces x equals to 0 and summation of forces y equals to 0, no, kasi nga automatically na nasasatisfy na natin yung moment kasi nga actual force members yung ating mga members sa truss members. Okay, so yun. So ibig sabihin guys, ganito, no, so kung b plus r yung ating total unknowns, tapos bawat joint ay merong dalawang equilibrium equations na pwedeng magamit, that is summation of forces x equals to 0 and summation of forces y equals to 0. And ibig sabihin, kapag yung total unknowns na b plus r is equals to the total equations natin, which is 2 multiplied by j. Diba nga? Kasi dalawa yung ating available equations bawat joints, then i-multiply natin siya sa lahat ng number of joints sa ating truss. Okay? So kapag nag-equal yan, that means that is statically determinate. Yung ating truss is statically determinate kapag ganun. Pero kapag yung b plus r is greater than 2j, then that is statically indeterminate. Okay? So take note na kapag statically indeterminate, you will have to report the degree of indeterminacy. No? Itong degree of indeterminacy, same pa din yung ating computation. Ima-minus lamang natin yung b plus r, ima-minus natin dyan, from dyan, yung 2j. Okay? So, that's the degree of indeterminacy, or that is, yun na yung kailangan natin na extra equations para ma-solve yung problem. Okay? Or that is, yan yung kailangan natin kunin. Yan na yung kailangan natin yun na yung kailangan natin na, ano ba yan, ang dami kong yun na yung kailangan nating compatibility equations, number of compatibility equations. Okay? So, ayun guys. So, napag-usapan na natin yung about sa stable. Dito naman tayo sa unstable. Bakit meron tayong dalawang klase, no? External at saka internal na instability or instability. Okay? So, sabi natin kanina, no? That kapag equal yung ating unknowns at saka equations, that is statically determinate. Kapag greater than yung unknowns sa equations, that is statically indeterminate. Okay? So ngayon, ibig sabihin pala guys, kapag less than, automatically that is unstable. There's no question about that. No? Kapag yung number of unknown is less than sa equation, that is unstable na kagad. Actually, ang more na term para dyan sa truss ay internally unstable. Okay, so if the b plus r is less than 2j, so that is yung unknown natin is less than the available equations 2j, the truss will be unstable and will collapse. Sure na yun na mag-collapse since there will be an insufficient number of bars or reactions to constrain all the joints. So, take note guys, no, kapag yung b plus r is less than 2j, unstable yun. Sure na yun, no? Kasi nga, no, ibig sabihin, mag-collapse yun, no? Kasi kulang yung number of bars para ma-constrain or para ma-fix yung mga joints. Okay? Pero take note guys, na hindi ibig sabihin na itong dalawang nasa baba, yung b plus r equals 2j at saka b plus r greater than 2j, ay ganito yung bilang. For example, naging ganito, na-satisfy natin yung dalawa. Hindi ibig sabihin na statically determinate or indeterminate agad siya or that is stable na kaagad siya. No. Take note, this two may be unstable pa din. Parang katulad nung pinag-usapan natin sa last video about sa beams, sa pin-connected structures, at saka sa frames, diba? So, pwedeng maging unstable yung dalawa na nasa baba. Okay. So, kasi meron tayong tinatawag guys na external stability, tapos yung mamaya pag-usapan natin yung internal. Okay, so unahin muna natin, ano ba yung external stability? Okay, kailan ba natin sinasabi na yung isang truss ay externally unstable? Okay, so ang sabi guys, if a structure or a truss or a structure is externally unstable if all of its reactions are concurrent or parallel. So, masasabi daw natin na externally unstable kapag yung reactions, lahat ng reactions guys, are concurrent, either concurrent, ano bang ibig sabihin ng concurrent? Nag-meet lahat ng reactions at one point. Parallel, that means, no, parallel lahat ng ating reactions. Ayun, example. Eto. So, sige nga guys. So, bakit siya unstable? Because concurrent yung ating reactions, di ba? Tingnan natin guys, no? So, kung concurrent siya, kasi, no, pag in-extend natin itong ating force na nandito, okay? Pag in-extend natin ito, ayun, okay, so magtatama siya dito sa joint na to, ito ay tatama din, okay, ito ay tatama din. So, dito sila mag-meet lahat. So, ang ibig sabihin guys, no, this is unstable because of the concurrent reactions. Kasi ganito yung mangyayari guys, no? What if, for example, nag-apply tayo ng vertical load dito, external na vertical load, okay? So, pinush natin papuntang taas yung ating truss. Di ba nga, roller man to, so ibig sabihin, ito ay gugulong pataas. Itong support na to ay gugulong pataas. So, kung gugulong siya pataas, take note, mag-rotate ng paganyan yung ating truss. Dito siya mag-rotate, gaganon siya. Okay? So, ayun. So, that is unstable kasi nga gagalaw nga yung truss. Okay? So, I hope na naintindihan nyo yung ibig sabihin, guys, no? Wait lang. Okay, then another example guys. Another example natin is this one. So, bakit natin sinasabi na this is externally unstable? Kasi, yung ating mga reactions, lahat ng reactions are parallel. So, kapag ka-parallel yung ating mga reactions, that means that is unstable, no? Okay. So, bakit ganun, di ba? Bakit, ano yung reason? Bakit magiging unstable? So, siguro, tingnan natin itong paamba. Okay. So, imagine niyo guys, no? Kung yung ating truss ay ganito, okay? Take note kasi yung function ng roller is para i-allow siya na mag-move ng ganito, no? Ng ganitong direction. So, pwede siyang gumalaw ng pagpunta doon, pwede siyang gumalaw ng papunta doon. Lahat sila pwedeng gumalaw. So, ibig sabihin guys, what if meron tayong force na pag ganon, papuntang ganon? Ibig sabihin, walang pipigil para mag-move yung truss papuntang left. So, gagalaw yung buong truss papuntang left kasi parang gulong nga itong mga roller na to, diba? So, ayun. So, gagalaw siya and that is unstable. Externally unstable ang tawag natin dyan, guys. Externally unstable. So, ayun. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na internal stability. So, ito, medyo mahirap yung pag-determine ng internal stability. Okay? So, wait lang guys ha. Okay, so the internal stability of a truss can often be checked by careful inspection of the arrangement of its members. If it can be determined that each joint is held fixed so that it cannot move in a rigid body sense with respect to the other joints, then the truss will be stable. So yun na guys, no? Para malaman mo kung unstable siya internally, no, all you have to do is to check carefully by inspection. So, titingnan mo lang siya, no? And, yun. So, dapat kung ma-determine mo na walang joint na gagalaw, okay, kahit konti, then, yun na, stable siya. Ganon yung mangyayari. Okay, so para mas naintindihan nyo guys ang aking example, eto, tingnan natin tong truss na ito, okay? So, this truss is actually internally unstable. So, bakit siya internally unstable? Sige nga, no? Kung titingnan natin, wait lang ha, balik tayo sa whiteboard guys. Ito. Ito kasi yung truss. Okay? So, this is internally unstable, no guys. So, actually, walang kinalaman dito yung reactions kasi yung reactions ay hindi naman concurrent, hindi rin naman parallel. Ito, isa lang yung ating reaction dito. Dito ay dalawa yung ating reaction. So, vertical, tapos meron tayong horizontal. So, hindi sila concurrent, guys. Hindi sila nag-meet at one point lahat. And hindi rin naman sila parallel. So, walang kinalaman yung internal stability about sa reactions. No? So, actually, yung internal stability ay may kinalaman lamang sa arrangement ng mga bars. So, ganito yung nangyari dito, guys. Bakit siya internally unstable? No? It's because of this part. Itong part na to, guys. Itong part na to. Okay? Kulang siya ng support dyan. No? So, ang nangyari, no, dito sa part na to, sumobra ng isang member, ito ay maaaring sobra. So, kung kukunin natin yung isa sa dalawang ito, no, dalawa kasi yung bracing natin dito, ito at saka ito. Itong dalawang bracing, okay? So, siguro siguro magiging stable siya. I mean, magiging stable yung ating truss na ito kung yung isa dito sa dalawang members na to ay lilipat natin dito. Para kasi, kailangan kasi ng bracing yung dalawang magkabilang joints. So, for example, maglagay tayo ng bar dito, okay? O di kaya ng bar dito, then magiging stable na yung ating truss. Okay? So, sige nga guys, try lang natin malaman kung ano ba yung ano nito, kung mag-rely lang tayo sa computation, what will be the results of the computation ba? Sige nga, di nga yung ating ano is B plus R, i-compare natin siya sa 2J. Then dapat less than itong ating unknowns, will be less than 2J para para masabi natin that it is unstable. Sige nga, bilangan natin yung number of bars. At yung number of bars natin is ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, tapos ito 13. Okay, hindi pa kasi natin nabilang yun, 13. Okay, so meron tayong 13 number of bars. Plus yung reactions natin guys is 1, 2, 3. So 3. So this is 16. Okay. How about 2J? So that is 2 multiplied by the number of joints. Okay, bilangan natin yung joints. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so meron tayong 8 number of joints. Okay, alam nyo naman siguro kung anong ginagawa natin guys, no? So, binibilang lang natin yung mga kuan. So, 16. Okay, so 16. Pareho silang 16. So, equals tong dalawa. So, di ba, kung hindi ka marunong mag-analyze ng internal and instability, then maaaring makapag-judge ka that this is stable, that this truss is stable. Wherein, ang totoo niyan, itong truss na to ay unstable. Okay, this is unstable. So, kailangan maging mapagmasid kayo guys. Kailangan marunong kayo mag-inspect ng maayos para malaman that na may kulang, na may something wrong with the truss. So, ayun, meron kasi mga trusses na tawag dito, mahirap tingnan kung saan yung kulang. 'Di ba? Parang ano lang. Parang pagmamahal mo sa kanya, 'di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo nagkulang. Charot. Okay. So, yun na nga. Natawa ako sa joke ko. Okay. So, yun na nga guys. No? So that's internal stability. So, balik tayo dun sa ating kana. So, this is internal unstable. Why? Because no restraint or fixity is provided between joints C and F. So, walang member na nagjo-join ng C and F o di kaya B and E. And so, the truss will collapse under load. Okay. So, another is this one. This is also internally unstable. Bakit natin sinasabing this is internally unstable? Yun. Okay, so balik tayo guys sa kuan ha. So ito, medyo mahirap talaga itong i-analyze guys kasi this is actually a compound truss. Actually, mahirap mag-judge ng internal instability ng isang compound truss at complex trusses. No, I think meron na kayong idea about sa types of trusses. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na simple trusses, compound trusses, and complex trusses. Meron pang space, yung 3D, no? Ganun. So, yung mga mahihirap talaga is yung simple, okay lang siya, madali lang siya ma-determine kung internally unstable siya or not. Ganun. Pero pag dumating na lang compound at saka complex, no, medyo mahirap na siya. No? So, ayun. So, lagi nyo lang tandaan guys na kapag nagagawa ka ng truss, no, you have to make sure that kumbaga yung idea nun is dapat hindi gagalaw lahat ng mga joints and hindi gagalaw lahat ng mga members. So, dapat fixed. Actually, yung main na shape na kailangan nating ma-attain no, sa pag-design ng trusses is yung triangle because that is the basic na tawag dito, structural basic na kuan. Naglo-loading ako guys. So, yun yung parang basic na structural element na fixed or yung hindi gagalaw ba, yung gano'n ba, na parang basta gano'n yung ibig kong sabihin. Magbasa na lang kayo guys, kaya nag-loading ako. Okay, so yun na nga. So bakit siya internally unstable? It's because, okay, so yun tayo guys. Wait lang ha, kay prepare pa ako ng okay. So, bakit siya internally unstable? Okay, so kung napapansin nyo guys, no, meron tayong exterior truss dito. Okay, ito yung exterior truss natin. Yung panlabas na truss ba? That's triangle, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi kong basic shape sa paggawa ng truss. Okay? Tapos meron tayong internal na truss ito. Kaya lang, ang problema dito is, yung mga members natin na nagkukonect sa internal na truss, ito yung ating internal, no? Yung mga members natin wherein yung nagko-connect nga sa internal at external na truss ay si AD, si CFC, at saka si BE. So, itong mamarkahan ko guys, ito yung mga trusses, na nagko-connect sa ating internal, yung nasa loob na truss, at saka yung external truss. Okay. Okay lang yun guys, sana. Kaya lang ang problema dito is itong tatlong to, itong member na to, yung BE, AD, at saka FC ay nagmi-meet at one point. At point O, nagmi-meet silang tatlo. At dahil nga nagmi-meet silang tatlo guys, no, this will cause para maging unstable nga yung internal na truss. No? Kasi pag nilagyan natin to ng load dito guys, for example, nilagyan natin siya ng load dito, no, ang mangyayari is rotate siya ng konti. Magkakaroon siya ng slight rotation itong nasa inner na truss. Okay? Okay? Magkakaroon siya ng konting rotation and that will cause na gumalaw nga yung ating truss and therefore unstable na siya. So, ganun lang yung guys, no? Medyo may kahirapan siya kung baguhan ka sa pagka-analyze ng mga trusses, no? Medyo mahirapan ka ma-determine yun, no? So, I think practice lang yun. The inner simple truss ABC, yung reason nga dito, again, ulitin ko lang, no? The inner simple truss ABC is connected to the outer simple truss DEF using 3 bars AD, BE, and CF, which are concurrent at point O. Thus, an external load can be applied to joint A, B, or C and cause the truss ABC to rotate slightly. So, ganun lang din yun, guys. So, malalaman agad natin kung unstable siya or stable using this mga dito kasi sa trusses, no, medyo may pagkano talaga siya, no, may kailangan maging mapagmatsyag ka, no, yung mapangsuri, ganun. Okay? So again, no, para sa summary ng ating lecture, take note na kapag B plus R is less than 2J, that is unstable. And B plus R is greater than or equal to 2J, that means that may be unstable if truss support reactions are concurrent or parallel, or if some of the components of the truss form a collapsible mechanism. Okay, so take note guys that bear in mind, however, that if a truss is unstable, kung yung truss nga ay unstable, it does not matter whether it is statically determinate or indeterminate. Obviously, the use of unstable truss is to be avoided in practice. So, yun. Okay, so para mas maano natin guys, no, magkaroon tayo ng example. So, this is an example problem 1.12. So, let us just classify each of the trusses in the figure as stable, unstable, statically determinate, or statically indeterminate. If indeterminate, state its degree. The trusses are subjected to arbitrary external loadings and are assumed to be known and can act anywhere on the trusses. Okay, so hanggang G ito guys, no? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So sige nga, no? Let's solve this problem. So punta tayo sa whiteboard guys. Sandali ha. Okay. Wait a sec. Okay, so ito yung ating problem guys. So I hope that you can see the one. So ayun. So ito nga yung problem natin. Classify each of the trusses in the figure as stable, unstable, or statically indeterminate or determinate. Kung indeterminate, we have to state its degree. Okay? So again, no, hanggang G yung ating problem na to. Okay, so isa-isahin natin guys. So all we need to do is to inspect, compute and inspect. No? Hindi dapat compute lang kasi maaring maguluhan tayo, no? Baka pala may kinompute tayo tapos masabi natin na determinate tapos ano pala, masabi natin na stable tapos unstable pala. Okay. So, unahin natin itong letter A. So, para sa letter A, no, i-drawing natin guys yung ating mga reactions para mas klaro sa atin kung para malaman kagad natin kung meron na concurrent or parallel na mga reactions. Okay, so dito, meron tayong dalawang reactions kasi this is a hinge. This is a roller, so meron tayong isang reactions lamang. Okay? So, ayun. So, bilangin natin guys lahat ng ating mga bars. So, markahan ko lang ha. So, bale, blue na lang gamitin ko. Para okay. Okay. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay guys, so pinabilang ko is 19 na mga bars. So, lagay natin dito, no? So, 19 plus yung ating reactions ay 3. So, this is equals to 22. Tama ba? Okay, so paki-compute na. Paki-ano na lang guys ha? Paki-ano na lang sa inyo kung tama yung aking pagkakabilang. Okay. Then, ngayon, no? I-compute naman natin, bilangin naman natin kung ilan lahat ng ating joints. Okay? So, para sa joints, start tayo dito. Bibiliwan ko dito ha, kasi dito tayo mag-start. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, meron tayong 11 joints, guys. So, this is 2 times 11 and this equals to 22. So, equals. Okay, so pareho, guys, yung ating B plus R at saka yung 2J. So, ibig sabihin, may possibility na this is stable and statically determinate. Okay, so tingnan muna natin, guys, no? Yung ating arrangement ng ating truss kung meron bang possibility na maging unstable siya. Okay, so about sa reactions, wala. Hindi siya pwede maging externally unstable kasi nga hindi naman sila nag-meet at one point at hindi rin naman sila parallel. Okay? Okay, so about naman sa internal stability, I can't see anything wrong. So, ayun. So, lahat naman ay naka-fix ng ating joints, no? So, therefore, no, I can say that this is stable. Okay? And this is statically determined kasi equal nga yung 22. Okay? So, okay guys, no? So, i-finalize natin to. So, erase ko to. Erase ko to kasi this is stable and statically determinate. Okay, so that's number 1. Letter A di. Okay? Okay, so let's move now to the next, guys. Dito tayo sa letter B. Okay, so para sa letter B, no, ay i-compute naman natin ngayon yung ating B plus R. Wait lang. Okay, so ibilangin natin yung ating bars at saka reaction. So, ganun pa rin guys yung gawin natin, no? Para mas maging effective yung ating pag-compute dito, ay i-drawing muna natin yung ating mga reactions. So, meron tayong rocker dito. So, this is vertical. Meron tayong hinge dito. So, meron tayong vertical and meron tayong horizontal. Ayun. So, tatlo yung ating reactions. Para naman sa number of bars, sige nga. Para sa number of bars natin, bilangin natin. So, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. So, we have 9 ka-bars, guys. So, this is 9 plus 3 and this is equals to 12. Okay lang tayo now, guys. Okay? So, dito tayo sa 2J. Okay? So, para sa 2J, wait lang guys, no? Para naglo-loading kasi yung ano ko. Okay. So, sandali guys. Okay, so para sa 2J guys, bilangin natin lahat ng joints. Okay, so dito is 1. Okay, this is 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, and 6. So, this is 2 times 6. So, this is 12. Okay, so equals pa din guys. So, ayun. So, tingnan muna natin yung ating truss kung pwede ba siyang maging unstable. Okay. Kasi ang lalabas dito, no, kapag itong computation lamang yung pinagbasehan natin, then this will be stable and statically determinate. Okay. So, tingnan natin guys, no. Okay. So, sa case na to, parang katulad to ng kaninang example, kaya lang hindi na ito ngayon sila, itong tatlong ating nagko-connect ng inner na truss tsaka outer na truss are not concurrent. So, that means na hindi siya internally unstable. Okay? So, wala din ako nakikita ang dahilan para maging externally unstable siya kasi yung ating mga reactions are not concurrent and not parallel. So, therefore, this is stable, guys. So, this is stable and this is statically determinate. Okay? So, erase lang natin. Wait lang guys na kasi nag-loading na yung aking laptop. Okay, so this is stable and statically determinate. Okay, so yun. Okay na tayo guys, no? So letter C na tayo para matapos na tayo agad dito. Okay, so dito tayo sa letter C. Okay, so bilangin muna natin ulit yung ating bars at saka reactions. Okay, so dito tayo, i-drawing muna natin yung ating reactions guys, no? So this is a rocker, so we have a horizontal here. This is horizontal and vertical. Okay. That's number of bars. So, bilangin natin yung bars. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. May nakalimutan ba ako guys? Wala no? So, this is, ilan to? 12. 12 yung pagkakabilang ko. So, 12 plus tatlong reactions, this is 15. Okay? Okay. So, how about sa joints, guys? Okay. So, bilugan natin yung mga joints. So, this is 1, 2, meron pa dito 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so nakabilang ako ng 8 ka-joints. So, this is 2 times 8 and this equals to 16. Okay, so this is less than. Obviously, kapag less than, ano nga yun? Unstable, guys. No? So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-isip pa kasi less than man yung ating total number of unknowns sa available equation. So, this is unstable. Okay? So, kapag unstable, no, it doesn't matter kung determinate siya or indeterminate. Again, no, hindi rin naman siya pwede maging determinate or indeterminate, no? Kasi nga, yung ating unknowns is less than nga yung ating equation. So, ayun guys, so this is unstable. Okay? So, ito tayo guys sa letter D para mas mabilis. Okay? So, ito tayo sa letter D. Okay, so para sa letter D, no, ay bilangin natin itong ating ayan. Okay, so sandali ha. Okay, so para sa letter D, dito tayo, drawing muna natin yung ating reactions. Ayun. So, wait. Reactions muna tayo. So, this is a hinge. So, meron tayong vertical, meron tayong horizontal. Tapos, meron tayong roller dito. So, this is vertical. Okay, so, okay. So, ngayon, bilangin natin naman yung ating mga bars. So, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 yung ating bars. Plus reactions ay 3. So, this is equals to 11. Tama ba? Tama, no? Okay. I hope tama yung pagkakabilang ko. Okay, this is 2 times the number of joints. Hindi ko alam. So, sige nga, bilugan natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 2 times 6, this is 12. So, ayun guys. So, this is again automatically unstable. Ayun, kasi nga, 11 is less than 12. Ayun. Actually, yung nagpapa-unstable dito na part, guys, no, anuhin ko lang kayo ng sa kuhan. Is because, dahil ito dito sa may, wait lang ha, i-delete ko lang itong nandito sa taas. Okay, so kaya ito unstable. This is internally unstable, no? That is because dito yung na part nagka-problema. Okay, so siguro, kung meron lamang tayong isa pang member dito, okay, that will become stable. Ganon. Pati kaya vertical dito. Okay. or horizontal. Okay, pareho lang yan magpapastable sa ating truss, ganun. Okay, so yun guys, so dito tayo sa letter E. Ayun. Okay, so mukhang pahirap ng pahirap yung ating no? Okay, so dito sa letter E, let's see if this is stable or unstable. Okay, so this is a roller, so meron tayong isang reaction dito, vertical. This is a hinge, so this is may vertical, meron tayong horizontal. So tatlo yung ating reactions. How about naman sa ating mga bars? So, ano natin to no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tapos dito tayo sa loob. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, 21 yung pagkakabilang ko guys. Pwede nyo sigurong i-repeat sa inyong mga bahay habang nanonood nito. So, 21 plus 3 yung ating reactions. So, this is 24. Okay? So, how about the joints? No? So, sige nga, bibilugan ko yung mga joints guys ha para mas effective yung ating pagbibilang ulit. Okay? So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 yung pagkakabilang ko sa joints guys. So, ayun. So, this is 2 times 12 and this is equals to 24. Okay, so equal siya. Okay, so tingnan muna natin guys ha. Baka meron ditong magpapa-unstable ng ating truss. So, let's see. Okay. Wait, okay, wala akong nakikita magpapa-unstable dito. No? Hindi to sure tayo na hindi siya maging externally unstable dahil nga about sa reactions natin hindi naman concurrent and parallel lahat. So, ang ano lamang dito, ang possible lang is internally unstable pero mukhang hindi siya internally unstable guys, wala akong nakikita. So, therefore, this is stable and this is equal man yung 24 na unknowns sa equations, then this is stable and statically determinate. Okay? So, erase na lang natin to. Erase. Erase. So, stable and statically determinate. Okay? So, yun guys. So, dito tayo sa F. Okay? Dito tayo sa F. Okay. So, bilangin muna natin lahat ng bars. So, ayun. So, dito tayo. So, 1 yung bar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 11 yung number of bars. Okay, so 11 number of bars plus the reactions. Okay, so this is a rocker. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayo dito vertical na reaction. This is a rocker. Oh, yung rocker din. So, ayun. So, dalawa lang yung ating reaction, guys. That is parallel silang dalawa. So, obviously, this is unstable. Hindi mo na kailangan ituloy. Hindi natin kailangan ituloy, guys. This is externally unstable. So, unstable na to, guys. No? Okay? Dahil nga parallel yung ating mga reactions. I hope na intindihan nyo, guys. So, pwede din natin ituloy. Sige nga. I-try lang natin siya ituloy. Pero, sure na ako that this is unstable. So, this is 13. Okay? Tingnan lang natin yung magiging results nito kung magiging kung possible ba yung ibang kung baka kasi tricky itong truss ba. Okay? So let's try to count the number of joints pod. Okay? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay? So 7 yung joints. So this is 7. And this is 14. Ayun, so lalabas din is unstable, guys. So, same lang. So, again, this is externally unstable, guys. And this is also internally unstable, no? This is externally unstable dahil sa reactions lang. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Oh. Ay, dito pa. Meron pa pala tayong isa. Okay. Dito tayo sa G. Okay. So, last na to. Okay. So, bali, no? Let's first draw the reaction. So, this is a hinge. 1. Okay, meron tayong horizontal. and vertical. Okay, so hindi sila concurrent, no? Okay, hindi rin sila parallel lahat. So, okay ra, 4. Okay, so dito tayo naman sa number of bars. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 plus 4, this is 11. Tama? Okay, then para naman sa 2j, that is 2 multiplied by, the number of joints natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5, and this is 10. Ayun, so, this is greater. So, that means, guys, na maaari siyang stable and statically indeterminate to the first degree, no? Pero, sa sandali, guys, i-ano muna natin, baka merong, magpapa-unstable dito. Okay? So, wait lang ha. Let's just inspect. So, tapos, okay. So, wala. I don't see any misarrangement or kulang na members dito. So, this is stable, guys. Okay. And this is statically indeterminate to the first degree. Okay, this is statically indeterminate to the first degree. Again, guys, no, para ma-compute natin yung degree, that is ma-minusan lang natin. So, that is 11 minus 10. Ma-minus na natin yun. And then, yun na yung ating degree of indeterminacy. Okay? So, I hope nagkakaintindihan tayo. So, that's it, guys. So, na-solve na natin yung problem. Ayun. So, wait lang. Baka gusto nyo i-screenshot yung solution. Okay? So, you can screenshot, guys. Ayun. Okay, so that's it, no? Madali lang naman, guys, mag-determine ng determinacy and stability ng trusses. So, ayun, so that's it. So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating discussion. So, see you in the next video natin for another topic. Okay, so that's it, guys. Ayun, wait ha. Okay, so that's it, guys. So, see you. Bye-bye.